Hi there, welcome to Puff Pastry Ideas. So roll the dough. Now fold the rolls with the help of two sticks like this. Fold again. Now attach every two sides with the help of your hand like this. Now place a jujube in the center. Now place cuts in the leaves like this, and you are done. I hope you are going to like this idea. So next one, again roll the dough, make it flat. Now cut it in the center. Now roll it. Now press both of the sides, and here is a beautiful look of your dough. Now again place the cuts. Now attach both of the sides, press them, and it is done. So next we are having dough of two colors, and we have a ball of blue color, and we have wrapped a dough over it, and now we are cutting the dough. Keep on cutting like this, and you will come up with a beautiful flower. Look how beautiful these flowers are. So in the next one, take dough of two colors, roll them together, cut a piece. Now flat it like this. Now place the cuts and press the center, and there you go. So you can place a jujube or a chocolate or any other dry fruit of your choice in that. You can also place bananas. So here we are again folding the dough. Now again press from the center, and there you go. Place a jujube, and it is done. Now here we have 3 rolls. Mark dots on the rolls. Now roll them like this. Now flat the edges and use a fork. Now cut them. Again press from the center and place anything of your choice. You can also use a jujube. Now here we are making the center. Now place it, and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.